Go into leadership skills. Okay, so I'm just going to go for this first one. We're going to add one more source, and this will be a website. So we're going to pick website because this is something that you're familiar with. Okay, add new reference, website. Okay, as you see here, enter URL or keywords. If you have the URL or the hyperlink, copy the hyperlink and paste it here. Oh my God, wrong shortcut. Okay, you search it. And it takes you, see, so it has found your search. So once you've got this, you can click the button that says Cite. So even though it's found the article and the website, it's now telling you it cannot find your author and your publisher and the publication date. So you need to make sure that the link is saved. So you have to go to this link and look for the publishing date and the author. Okay, so you can hit continue. And it takes you to this part where you're going to customize based on your author. So it said it couldn't find your author. If you go back here, now keep in mind, if you cannot find the author in this top half, scroll down, you will find the author just right there. Do you see it? So this is the author, and you see the publication date, 2019. So Alison Doyle, 2019. Go back here, first name Alison. Last name Doyle, and year published 2019. So the website name is The Balance of Careers. Okay, publisher is still the host. So if we go, it's still Balance Careers. Go back up here. See, this is the host. If you want to double confirm that this is the host of the website, scroll down and look for this. See this? Okay, look for all of this. If it says the balance many times, it is confirmed that this is copyright of this company called the Balance Careers. Okay, go back here. You can copy that again. Paste it here. Once you're done, hit complete citation. So I've added 2 citations. Now this is ready, and I would like to copy this into Word. So there are 2 options here, download to Word and copy and paste. Download to Word, it downloads it as an RTF file. To make things easier, click on this, copy to paste, and the finalized reference that you would like to have is this, okay? So for referencing, it must be aligned, and in the second and the third line must be indented to the right. First lines will always be indented to the far left. You don't have to put any indentation for the first line. It has to be done for the second and the third line. And if you notice, D and S, this is arranged in alphabetical order. Okay, so can you see? So these references are referenced based on APA 6th edition. If you are still unclear about how to use Cite This For Me, you can also find tutorials for Cite This For Me on YouTube. Just make sure you type down the title of Cite This For Me. Once you have this, you can copy this. And if you have your Word, okay, so let's say this is your Word file. Just paste it down here, okay? Right, now the exercise that I would like to see, the exercise or the activity that I would like you to submit, and you don't have to use the Microsoft Word to do the citation, you can use Cite This For Me, is you need to cite 3 books, 3 books, 2 journals, and 3 website links. So if you've copied it and it's like this, so this is a website link, copy. I'm going to paste it down here. And then this is my journal. I'm going to copy that and paste it under my journal. Now earlier on, it said that you need to have the second indented. So here, hang on, doing something silly again. Okay, so if you want this second line indented, you see this if you can do this in your phones, it will be easier. If not, just don't do anything with it. You want to make sure that it is separated into the 3 categories. Okay, once you got that done, delete. And when it says alphabetical order, arrange it based on the alphabetical order on these titles. So if I have another website that the author starts with a C, it should come before D. Okay. So this is the activity I would like you to send to me using Cite This For Me. Right, any questions, guys? So again, if you need to refer to more tutorials, utilize your video platforms. They will help you. All right, so this is the only thing I need you to email to me using the website Cite This For Me. I will give you, for this, it's going to take a bit of time, so I'll give you a week. So you can send this to me by the end of the week. That means you can send this to me on Saturday. Okay, deadline for this is Saturday. Yeah, you only need to give me the links. So 3 books, 2 journals, 3 websites. All right, guys, I'm going to end this meeting. And if you have any questions, drop me a message on Discord. For the books, yes, you need the name, the book title, followed by the author. If it's an online book, you can also use that as well. But make sure the online book has the title of the book and the authors included with the publisher. All right, guys, a reminder, do check your local computer stores to see whether they're open, if some of you are having trouble with using phones and tablets, okay? Right, I'll see you next week. And we will be using WebEx. I can see WebEx is very stable. All right, thank you for coming. Bye.